Well, I kind of want to make a homelite chainsaw video again, just like I did yesterday. But this time I put a metal air filter cover on it so that way the plastic wouldn't break on it. Because I like metal air filter covers better. But this is a great Legend American saws. I put a different recoil onto this XL and it's finally working a lot better. And put a little red recoil onto this chainsaw. But it looks like a little red because I wanted to go right in with the big red. This is a little red XL and this is a big red XL. They free run real good. This is a 14-inch homelite chainsaw. I don't usually use a whole much. I think it definitely needs a new bar and a new chain. I think I might attempt to buy a steel 14-inch bar and chain for this thing. But I'm pretty sure it'll fit onto this thing. But who knows. I did got the chain sharpened, but who knows when that bar is going to last. And this is my second little chainsaw I usually use sometime. Little red. It is kind of a little powerful saw, but it's not that usually powerful as the big red. The kill switch is sideways. This way is off. Let me zoom that in and show you. Stop is off. To the right. Left is on. And this one is forward. On and off. And this one is not sideways too, but this one's straight. Up is on, down is stop. It's got an automatic oiler, but it's got a manual oiler. But 3 of them do have automatic oilers, but not the XL12, because the XL12 are the first large gas-powered saws in the late 60s until they keep making them to 1995 or 1999, whichever. But I primed the carburetor on the big red because the big red was having a hard time starting with throttle lock on. I guess it usually starts better without using the throttle lock on it. There's the carburetor. Carburetor is still in good shape. I might clean it with some carb spray cleaner and get it a little bit clean, make it look better without taking the carburetor off. They free run good, but I'm gonna stick with the free working ones, including the 4th one, the XL12. Are the good working saws I'll be able to get. So I'm just gonna stick with the ones that I had from that usually run from the past without buying any more new modern saws. I'll start them up real quick for you and let you listen to them. Only for a little bit. Now with the XL number 2 14-inch bar. See, now it definitely let me drop start it better than the other recoil. I'll use it as spare for the other one just in case. Not bad for a little ripper. Got it from a flea market for 25 bucks. Whew. Man, that thing is smoky. Gotta love that smell of old 2-cycle motors. Now for the XL, Little Red XL with a 16-inch and a brand new chain that I made for it. Whew! I tell you, this thing is a smoker too, because I think they both have broken piston rings in them. But I'd say they still run fine. But it'll clear up when I kept using it like that, but not sideways. Not sideways, because it'll clog you up. Whew. And now for the third homelite that I usually had for the collection, which is the largest homelite chainsaws, big firewood saws. This one doesn't usually smoke a lot worse than those other two. Throttle lock on it does work. I can only use the throttle lock if it cools a little bit down after when I let it cool down. Very good runners. They're very good firewood saws. But this is for Tasman. This is for Tasman. He was on a live stream last night. I want to make this video for him because I want to do something special for him. Kind of surprise him. But homelite chainsaws rock. The XL saws rock. I love them. I love those saws. They're the best saws there is. I love homelites. I don't know if a Little Red XL air filter cover would have fit onto this saw. But I think it's a different air filter cover, but they're different years. I might have to buy one of these air filter covers for that one off of eBay. Or may ask, I think I may ask JT and see if he's got one of them air filter covers for this saw for me. He's got a few of 5 of them, but he has a Super 2 and the other one with a steel 14-inch bar and chain. But They are very good saws. Very good firewood saws. Alrighty. I'll do the next video comparison on the other chainsaws. This time will be 2 of them. Alrighty. I'll catch you in a minute. Stay tuned.